Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily block YouTube on your iPad Pro M5. So actually it's very easy. At first, go to the settings and make sure that YouTube is installed. Here, now, you have to scroll down to the screen time over here. When we are in the screen time, make sure that the screen time option is enabled. When it's enabled, go at first down and tap App Limits. Tap App Limit, and here search for the YouTube. Here in the search, because it's difficult to search for the YouTube as it is. Here tap now Search. Next, set the limit to 0 hours and 0 minutes, and take icon over here. Here, make sure that it's enabled and the YouTube is 0 seconds every day. This is the first step, and the second step is that we can manage, of course, we can access the YouTube straight from the website, so we have to restrict the website too. Tap on the restrictions and make sure that this tick is enabled. When it's enabled, go to the App Store, Media, Web and Games, and now tap on the web content. Here, by default, you will have unrestricted, but if you want to restrict the YouTube, tap Limit Adult Websites. Don't really care about the name, because the normal websites you want to have, of course, won't be restricted. You will have only restricted domains. Here, for example, down below, and you can restrict the access to the YouTube. And if you want to have some other adult websites, just add them here. But to never allow add youtube.com. Here, as you can see, it's over here. But we can tap it and enter the new URL. For example, HTTPS. The previous one was wrongly typed, so don't worry. https://www.youtube.com. This is the correct URL for YouTube. Tap this tag icon. This was the wrong one. This is the correct one over here. And if you want to have some other websites and you have no idea which websites, you can add them here in the Add Website. And now we do have our YouTube restricted. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.